In this video, we will cover some basic information and instructions on completing your all location spreadsheet template. This spreadsheet only contains selected questions that are common to most locations. This spreadsheet does not fulfill your reporting obligations but may be useful in reconciling your list of locations with the locations listed in the online reporting instrument. For detailed instructions on downloading spreadsheets, please see the video titled Downloading and Uploading the Spreadsheet Template. Instead of clicking the Continue button as in that video, you would click the All Locations button on the Download Wizard screen to download the All Locations spreadsheet. You can enter your data into this spreadsheet using Microsoft Excel. All of your locations will be listed, including any locations you may have added before downloading the spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is helpful because you can reconcile your locations by updating operational status and adding any missing locations. You can update name and address fields, enter operational status and payroll for all of your locations at one time. The first tab, the Welcome tab, contains important information that you should read before entering data. This tab contains a link for how-to videos, links for the corresponding PDFs and instructions, descriptions of the other tabs, instructions for how to use the spreadsheet, information about adding locations to the spreadsheet, codes for major activity code question for added NC 99001L and NC 99001S establishments, and a phone number to call for additional information. The second tab is a Data Dictionary tab. This is a list of each data element with its corresponding description and characteristics. This tab may be printed as a reference to the survey items. Each column in the Data Dictionary corresponds to a row at the top of the All Locations Selected Items tab. The third tab is the All Locations Selected Items tab. For the locations listed starting in the third row, you can provide responses to the questions for each location. Please do not provide a response for cells shaded in gray because the response to that question is not needed or data are collected in a different way for that location survey. We recommend adding new locations using the Add Location button on the Step 1 report screen in the online reporting instrument. However, new locations can be added directly to the spreadsheet. Go to the first blank row after your pre-listed or added locations. Then for the survey number column, enter MA10000 for manufacturing locations, if one already exists in your all location spreadsheet, and enter NC 99001L for other locations if one already exists in your all location spreadsheet, or NC 99001S for other locations if NC 99001S is listed on the Step 1 report screen in the online reporting instrument. In the census file number, CFN column, you must create a unique alphanumeric identifier for the location that is not used anywhere else and is in the following format. Type ADD in all caps _ 000001 in the cell. The CFN should be 10 characters long. If you are adding multiple locations, be sure to increase the last digit by 1 for each new location. These instructions can also be found on the Welcome tab. For NC 99001 adds, use the major activity code from the Welcome tab. When entering your data, remember that dollar amount should be entered as thousands of dollars. For example, if your total annual payroll was $5,045,500.60, you would drop the last 3 digits and decimal, round up, and enter it as 5046. You can sort and filter the spreadsheet to aid in reporting. To sort the data without mismatching it or disturbing the first 2 rows, make sure to highlight all rows and columns starting with the third row. You may also change row height and column width. You can delete or hide rows and columns. However, do not delete or hide the first 2 rows or any columns with asterisks. You may also add columns or tabs for your own use and they will not be read by our system. After you have entered all of your data, upload the spreadsheet. Please see the video titled Downloading and Uploading the Spreadsheet Template for detailed instructions and types of upload errors. Also, the online reporting instrument will check your uploaded data for potential data problems. You can find a list of any errors and warnings on the Step 2 View Errors and Warnings screen. You can modify your data directly through the online reporting instrument, or you can modify the spreadsheet and upload it again. Please see the View and Fix Your Errors and Warnings video for additional information on correcting errors and warnings in the online reporting instrument. You can also download the All Location spreadsheet again, or download the MA10000, NC 99001L, or NC 99001S spreadsheets, and they will contain previously uploaded data with any later changes made directly through the online reporting instrument.